How to upload a PDF in DeepSeek AI. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step how you can do it. So let's get started. First of all, you can just go ahead and launch up the DeepSeek AI application or head over to the website and log in, and you should be finding this interface. Now, the next step you can do is from here in the bottom right corner, you should be finding a plus icon. You can just go ahead and tap on it, and it gives you option to select up a photo, image, or document. So again, go ahead and upload these three files on your DeepSeek. So let's head over to document, tap on it, and you can select up a PDF file. So you can just go over to documents section right there and select up the PDF file, locate up the PDF file, for example, this right here. So just go ahead and tap on the PDF document. And once it is selected, you can just go ahead and type in the prompt like what you would like to want to do with your PDF. So you can just go ahead and type in the prompt here like this and tap on this blue icon right here in the bottom right arrow to upload it on your DeepSeek. And when you do, the document should be uploaded on your DeepSeek. So this is how you basically add PDF to your DeepSeek AI. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you in another video.